Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramelized fruit. First, choose fruits that hold their shape well, such as apples, pears, or even bananas. Ensure they are ripe but still firm. Next, prepare your ingredients: a good quality sugar, unsalted butter, and a reliable non-stick pan. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This simple preparation sets you up for delicious results. For optimal caramelization, select fruits like apples, peaches, or pineapple, which have a good balance of sweetness and firmness. Cut your chosen fruit into pieces of similar size, ideally around 1/2 inch thick, so they cook evenly. If you're using fruits prone to browning, like apples, a quick toss in a small amount of lemon juice can help maintain their vibrant color. This careful preparation is key to achieving that perfect golden brown finish. To begin, melt about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in your pan over medium heat. Once the butter is fully melted and slightly bubbling, add approximately 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Stir continuously until the sugar completely dissolves and forms a light syrup. Then, carefully add your prepared fruit pieces to the pan, arranging them in a single layer. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, flipping occasionally, until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and tender texture. Once your fruit is perfectly caramelized, remove it from the heat immediately to prevent overcooking. Serve it warm, perhaps alongside a scoop of vanilla ice cream, a dollop of Greek yogurt, or even as a topping for pancakes or waffles. A sprinkle of cinnamon or some chopped pecans can add an extra layer of flavor and texture. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.